Hey everyone! Today we're sharing an interesting journey about guinea fowl. From free-range farming to turning it into delicious dishes. You might be surprised by how we take care of and process the birds, all in a natural and fresh way. Stay tuned to watch the whole process. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fun content. Guinea fowl, also known as African fowl, originate from Africa and are distinguished by their spotted plumage, which provides excellent camouflage in the wild. Guinea fowl are social creatures, living in flocks and often working together to enhance their safety. They are highly heat-tolerant, making them well-suited to arid environments, and their strong digestive system enables them to consume a wide variety of food, ranging from grains to insects. Notably, their loud calls serve as a means of communication and a natural alarm system, making them ideal guardians for farms. With their adaptability and strong survival instincts, guinea fowl have become one of the most widely raised poultry species worldwide. Guinea fowl can lay approximately 80 to 150 eggs annually, depending on the care and environmental conditions. Eggs are collected daily to maintain hygiene and prevent spoilage. During collection, farmers carefully inspect the eggs to remove any cracked or irregular shapes, ensuring only high-quality eggs are kept. The collected eggs are then placed in a specialized incubator. In the incubator, they undergo a hatching process under strict control of temperature, around 37.5 degrees Celsius, humidity, and time. This process typically lasts between 26 to 28 days, during which the eggs are periodically turned to ensure even embryo development. The baby guinea fowl, after hatching, are moved to a special care stage in a brooding cage. The brooding cage is designed to keep them warm, with heating lamps and a draft-free space to protect the chicks from harsh weather conditions. As the guinea fowl grow stronger, they are transferred to a free-range environment during the day, where they can freely forage for food such as grass, seeds, and small insects. As the guinea fowl mature, they are allowed to roam freely in a natural free-range environment, without the need for enclosures or cages. Although they are not kept in enclosures, their diet is carefully supplemented with high-quality grains, such as corn, wheat, and millet, to ensure they receive sufficient energy and nutrients. Additionally, they have access to fresh greens, like grasses and leafy vegetables, which provide essential vitamins and minerals. Clean, fresh water is also always available to them to keep them hydrated and support their overall health. This natural approach produces healthy guinea fowl, yielding flavorful meat that meets the necessary health and quality standards required for processing in food production facilities. After the guinea fowl has been thoroughly plucked, it ensures a clean surface and makes it easier for the next steps in the process. Once the feathers are removed, the next step is cutting off the legs, which helps facilitate the transportation and handling of the birds, while also reducing any obstacles during the processing. Next, the guinea fowl will go through the evisceration process. Then, the guinea fowl are moved to the meat separation stage. In this step, parts like the breast, thighs, wings, and other meat cuts will be separated from the bones. Finally, after the meat is separated, packaging is the last step in the processing procedure. Guinea fowl, with its firm and flavorful meat, is perfect for a variety of special dishes. You can cook this bird by roasting, stewing, or stir-frying, pairing it with spices like garlic, herbs, and wine to create rich and delicious meals. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.